Maslow's hierarchy of need. Maslow's hierarchy of need is a theory in psychology proposed by Abraham Maslow in 1943. This theory is often portrayed in the shape of pyramid with the largest, most fundamental needs at the bottom and need for self-actualization at the top. From the bottom, the first four levels of the pyramid contains deficiency needs such as physiological, safety, love, belongingness, and esteem needs. The basic needs must be met before the individual will strongly desire for the next level needs. For example, an individual will not expect safety needs until unless his physiological needs are met. He will not desire for love and belongingness before the safety needs are met. Maslow also coined the term meta-motivation to describe the motivation of people who go beyond the scope of the basic needs and strive for constant betterment. If these deficiency needs are not met, the individual will feel anxious and tensed. Today I am going to discuss about Maslow's hierarchy need with specific reference to entrepreneurial needs. In fact, starting a business is easy and we just create something that someone will pay for it. And you typically started with the motivation of money. Whatever we start with the intention to have some amount of money, that is typically a physiological need. And as we get the money, the safety need arises. And once you have tested the ability to make money, we go for second level of need, that is safety. It usually grows from there. The next stage is when you are working in your business full time and it easily support itself. It gives you a sense of security to create a living. As soon as we get some kind of self safety, we go to the third level of need, that is love and belongingness. Great business relationship, we can say. This stage is typically about people. Even though we are making money, we live and living a lavish lifestyle, we have need of people. Whenever we start a new business, it is always started with new team of people, and we felt the need to have more. We hired brilliant people and did great work with some amazing business partners. It is always about connecting and surrounding ourselves with people and people who understand us and who have shared values. This is all about to be surrounded by friends and people to whom we spend time. Everyone seems to get it and life feels integrated. Once we achieve that, we start looking higher towards the next stage, that is excellence in business. Fourth stage is esteem. Once things get rolling on the business and people side, we start looking at company from an outside perspective. We look for external validation. This can come in the form of awards, recognition from your peers, and acknowledgement that we have built something special. It's more than just about having a business, it's about recognition and confidence. Once that happens, we graduate to the next stage, that is purpose and legacy, self actualization. This is the point where we start questioning the purpose of our business. We ask ourselves if it's having an impact on the world, what your legacy will be, and how the world will be better for you having lived on it. You get inspired by others that have had a lot of success and put it all aside to create something that will have a bigger impact. We can ask ourselves questions like what makes me happy or why am I here and can I do more? These are all questions and